You are involved in so many things in your life, but you are not committed in anything. You are in this club, you are in this group, you are in this association, everywhere, but you don't give any full commitment to anything. Part of you is in your family, part of you is in ministry, part of you is with God, part of you is with Satan, part of you is with men, part of you is with culture, part of you is with several things. It is better to be doggedly committed in a wrong thing. It will be easy for God to rescue you. You see, it was very easy for God to save sinners because they were headlong, they were completely antichrist. There was no standing in the line, and so it was easy. The one who was completely blind said, "Thou son of David, have mercy on me." He was blind, he knew he was blind, and he knew when the eye opened. But those who had eyes and could not see, they kept roaming around the crusades and never got blessed.